Hi guys, I just want to answer this question. Sa Pilipinas na daw siya kumuha ng kanyang Saudi Police Clearance. Pwede daw ba niya ma-authenticate yung documents sa Pilipinas? At kung sa Pilipinas, saan daw nga ba? If you have still access on your Absher kasi kaka-exit nyo lang and may signal pa yung mobile number ninyo, the answer here is no. There's no way for you to have your police clearance authenticated in the Philippines. Kung sinasabi ninyo, ipapa-authenticate ninyo sa Saudi Embassy, no, they're not gonna do that. Saudi police clearance has to be stamped here in Saudi Arabia. Dapat dito kayo mag-authenticate sa Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Saudi Arabia. That is why, kapag kukuha kayo ng Saudi police clearance, make sure dito sa Saudi Arabia. Posible na makakakuha kayo sa Pilipinas because may access pa kayo sa Absher, but the problem there is walang paraan para mapa-authenticate ninyo. Not unless ipapadala ninyo yung police clearance ninyo sa Saudi, sa kakilala ninyo sa Saudi, and have it authenticated. Pero, on this case, meron na kasing ibang procedure kapag nasa Pilipinas na yung applicant. Now, I hope I answered that question.